Good morning, one and all. Myself, Tawfiq Sheikh. Today, I'm going to present a PPT on Introduction to Cloud under the guidance of Professor Shailendra Rawat. These are the content of my PPT: Introduction, Cloud Computing Attributes, Cloud Computing Service Models, Cloud Deployment Models, Conclusion and Reference. What is cloud? Cloud computing is general term which is used to describe a class network based computing that helps that take place over the internet. It is a utility computing option. It is a collection of networked hardware, software, and internet infrastructure, which is also called as a platform. Using the internet, the communication and transport provide hardwares, software networks to the clients. These platforms hide the complexity and details of the underlying infrastructure from user and applications by providing them simple graphic interface or APIs. Cloud computing network. The network is critical to the cloud computing, that as every cloud is some combination of service and or deployment model. Regardless of the type of cloud, one fact remains true, that no network means no internet, no cloud. Attributes of cloud computing. The first attribute is scalability, that the cloud network must be scalable to perform overall level of throughput required to ensure that it does not become a bottleneck. Low latency. The cloud network must deliver microsecond latency across the entire network fabric, because low latency improves the application performance and server utilization. Guaranteed performance. The cloud network must provide a predictable performance to service as many simultaneous applications will be running on the network, which includes voice, video, and web traffic. Extensible management. Real-time upgrades and image management in a large computer cloud network is a challenge to network administrators. self Self healing resilience. Cloud network operates on 24 by 7, so downtime is not an option, which it requires network architecture that offers self healing and ability to transparent in service software updates. Cloud computing essential characters. On-demand self-service, that user automatically can access the computing server resources like server storage when required. Broad network access. Services available over the network can be accessed using the mobile, smartphone, tablets, laptop, etc. Resource pooling. Computing resources, which includes memory and bandwidth, can be pooled to serve multiple customers at a single time. And it is a location independent as well. Rapid elasticity, ability to quickly scale in and out the service with demand at any time. Measured service, control optimized services based on metering, that is pay per use model. And type of services which includes storage, processing, bandwidth, etc. Cloud service models. The first model is infrastructure as a service. It is a provision based server used for storage and networking resources. And second is a platform as a service. It is a middleware platform. It is a solution stack for the for users, and it can be can also be accessible over a network. Third service model is a software as a service. It is a software based application used for to deliver services over the network. Infrastructure as service characteristics. An infrastructure provider makes an entire computing infrastructure available as a service. It manages large pool of computing resources and utilize virtualization to assign dynamically resize the customer resources. Customer rent a processing capacity, memory, data storage, and network resources that are provisioned over the network. Platform as service architecture. Service provider supplies the software platform or middleware where the application runs. So service users are responsible for creation, updation, and maintenance of the application. The sizing of hardware that is required for the execution of software is made in understandable manner. Software as a service architecture. Provider is responsible for creation, updation, and maintenance of software application as in platform as service. Software as service providers are cloud-based applications that users access on demand from the internet without needing to install them. Service users access the service through internet-based interfaces. These are the cloud deployment model. Here we have public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud as well. First is public cloud. It is open for all the general public. It is can be fully hosted and managed by the vendor. Individual corporation and others can also manage it. Amazon Web Services, Google App Engine are examples of it. It offers startups, SMBs, quick setup, scalability, flexibility, and automated management. Pay-as-you-go model helps startups to start small and go big. Private clouds. It is within the boundaries like firewall of the organization. All the advantages of a public cloud with one major difference is it reduces the operation cost and has to manage by the enterprise. It is a fine grinded control. It has fine grinded control over the resources. It is more secure as they are internal to organization. It can schedule and reshuffle the resources based on the business demand. It is ideal for app related to tight security and regulation concerns. Development requires hardware investment and in-house expertise. Cost could be prohibitive and cost might exceed the public cloud. Third is hybrid cloud. Many organizations use hybrid cloud environment which combines the public and private cloud resources to support the organization's computing need while maintaining the compliance with industry regulation. Multi-cloud environment are also common, which entails the use of more than one public cloud provider, for example, combining AWS and DigitalOcean. Conclusion. Cloud technology offers variety of opportunities for businesses, independent developers, researchers, and educators and students as well. By understanding the different service models, benefits, and risk offered by the cloud users can make informed decisions about how to how to take the best possible advantage of it. So these were some of the reference for our PPT. And thank you, sir. I hope you liked the presentation.